Welcome to the Magic Minute from the Magic Travel Guide. Today, we hop aboard Slinky Dog Dash, located in Toy Story Land at Disney's Hollywood Studios, where guests will take off on a family-friendly coaster that twists and turns past giant toys and springs across Andy's oversized backyard. Stretch your imagination. Andy's assembled his Mega Coaster play kit, and Slinky Dog is taking you on a wild ride. Slinky Dog's springy coils stretch you to the limit as you bend around curves, zoom up hills, and drop back down. A spring is a marvelous thing, and this attraction is wonderful fun for the entire family. Slinky Dog Dash officially opened at Disney's Hollywood Studios on June 30th, 2018. Themed around the Toy Story films, the story of the ride is that Andy has built a roller coaster using his Dash and Dodge Mega Coaster kit and decided to use Slinky Dog as the ride vehicle. The ride can accommodate up to 4 trains at a time. The ride reaches a maximum height of 50 feet in the air with a top speed of 40 miles an hour, taking you on a 2-minute journey around Andy's backyard.
Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.